Welcome to SkyView Drone Services, your premier partner for professional aerial imaging and data solutions in Minnesota. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how our services work, what to expect as a client, and how we deliver powerful, real-time results that help you plan smarter and move faster. Our FAA-Certified pilots utilize cutting-edge drone technology to deliver high-resolution imagery and precise data tailored to your project's needs. Whether you're in agriculture, construction, real estate, or public safety, our services are designed to provide actionable insights and enhance decision-making. Our process is straightforward and client-focused. Step number 1, consultation. We begin by understanding your specific requirements and objectives. Step 2, planning. Our team develops a customized flight plan to ensure optimal data capture. Step 3, execution. We conduct the drone flights, capturing the necessary imagery and data. Step 4, analysis. Post-flight, we process and analyze the data to generate comprehensive reports. Step 5, delivery. You receive detailed visual reports optimized for clarity and decision-making. Getting in touch with SkyView Drone Services is quick and easy. Start by heading to our homepage at skyviewdronesmn.com and click the Contact button in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the tan-colored contact form. Here's how to fill it out. Enter your first and last name. Provide a valid email address and phone number. Select whether you're reaching out personally or on behalf of a company. In the description box, briefly describe the drone services you need, like aerial photography, thermal imaging, or mapping. Let us know when your project is needed. Once everything's filled out, hit submit, and a team member will follow up with you promptly. Want a faster response? Click the Let's Chat or Get in Touch buttons available on the site to message us directly. If we're online, we'll respond right away. If not, leave your message. We'll follow up as soon as possible. You can also reach us anytime using the email addresses at the bottom of the page. You can call us by phone at 507-414-7949. Or just click the social media icons at the bottom of the page to connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and more. Ready to elevate your project? Contact SkyView Drone Services today and discover how our aerial solutions can benefit you.